And I'm very privileged and honored to have Dr. Bikash Padhan, who has just secured AIR 86 in NEET SS Surgical Group 2025. So, first of all, congratulations, Dr. Bikash, and welcome, and thank you for taking out time to be talking to us. So, how is it feeling to
So much,
be in
sir.
the top 100? Just let us know your feelings right now.
Quite happy, sir, and overwhelmed. First of all,
Yeah.
thank you so much, sir, for your encouragement, for your guidance, and for all the teaching, sir. Because of the Sushruta LGS and you, sir, I got the rank, sir.
And how is it feeling to get in the top 100?
Sir, feeling quite happy, sir. I was trying for this is my third NEET SS attempt, sir.
Oh, okay.
First year in 23, I got around 900 odd ranks, sir.
Okay.
And in the second year also, I got 900 odd ranks, sir. Around. Then I thought my approach it's something I'm in approach. I'm somewhere is wrong, sir. Then one of my friend told about Sushruta LGS, sir.
Okay.
Then I subscribed for around I think I last May. I think in last May I subscribed for Sushruta
Right.
LGS. Then I messaged you also, sir.
Right.
Then I saw 2-3 videos before preparing for this year NEET SS. And in that video, sir, you always focused about studying the books, thorough with the books, and I've just followed that, sir.
Right. So, just tell us about your journey. How has that been? When did you start your preparation, and how has it been till you reached this great achievement?
Sir, this was my third attempt, sir, and I started for this year. I started in last May, and first 2-3 months I was just reading the books, the Valley 28 and Sevistan 21st edition, line by line, as sir told in the YouTube video. Then I went through the Q banks, and after few months, I think after 2 or 3 months, there are scholars, I think.
Yeah, surgical scholar test. Yes.
Yes, sir. Went through that those test series also, and in August or in August, I think uh, I started doing the decathlon mock series.
Hackathon series. Yes.
Uh, Not all, sir, but I appeared 15 of
15.
decathlon
Right.
mock series.
Out of the 17, 18. Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so your strategy will discuss in detail. So, as you told me that this was the third attempt, you started in 2023. So, just can you tell in brief about that? Now, the reason why I'm asking is, Dr. Bikash, is that many students will be listening, may be in the same state
Sir.
that they may not have got a good rank this year, or they may
Yes,
not be
sir.
getting it, so that they can learn from you that what you did way back, and how did you change, and what was your mindset, and what all things you changed. Just tell us about that journey.
Sir, first of all, last year NEET, I mean 2024 NEET SS, uh, while I was preparing for the exam, uh, I think 1.5 months before the exam, the pattern was changed, sir.
Right.
So that was quite a setback for me, sir, because I was practicing for whole 150 questions,
And then
and
section days came.
section-based test, I really suffered a lot because in real exam, sir, I was able to attempt 135 questions, sir.
Right.
And I was quite frustrated after the exam, and I was crying through the exam hall, sir.
No.
And then uh, I really sat and thought about what went wrong and how to correct that, sir.
Right.
Then I was then I started reading the books thoroughly. Then went through the Q banks, then test series, and
Right.
then I got the confidence because this was, sir, the GTs were going good, and
Right.
I was in my June, so that I was always feeling that the exam is going to be a good one.
Good one, right. I think that is what you said is about the mindset which you had, that you were more confident and more clear about what you wanted to achieve. So that's a great thing, and we'll come to the details. So before we go further, just tell us about your background. Where are you from, and where have you done your MS, and what were you doing in the last few years? Were you working or just studying? What was the thing for you?
Sir, I am from Odisha, sir, and I was doing my MS in Bhimsar, Burla, sir.
Right.
So during PG time, could not get much time to study, sir. And during the senior residency also, I was there was time for study, sir, but uh, I could not recollect the concepts, and that was quite tough for me, sir, for the first years. And during 2024 need SS, I was studying really good, sir, but in the exam it did not go well, sir.
Right. So this year, for this exam, did you just sit and study, or were you working as well?
Sir, for from August, I was not doing any work, sir. I was just
Right.
studying, sir.
So last 4 months you just dedicated
Last
to
four
the
months,
preparation.
I just sat and studied, sir.
Right, right. I think that's a very important thing, that all the students who are giving it again, that's important, that you have to decide that at least minimum of 3 months to maximum of 6 months should be dedicated to the
Yes,
preparation.
sir. So you
Yeah.
have also said in that video, sir, to
Yes.
minimum 3 months required
Yes.
to just sit and study for the exam, sir.
Yes, yes. I think that's a key, that you dedicate yourself, because you are should be in that mindset of exam giving. So
Yes,
that's important, that last 3 4 months you dedicated to the preparation.
yes,
So as you said about your preparation was like textbook reading followed by all the question bank from our platform. So just tell us
yes.
about how your textbook reading was. What you did, how you read, how did you cover Bailey Saviston, how did you read Schwartz, and how did you incorporate that? Did you make notes, utilize some notes, or how did you prepare yourself to reach the level of revision? So how, what was your reading like? Just tell us about your that thing.
Sir, previous year, Belly, I have completed Belly, sir, but I could not go through Seviston. I mean, line by line, I could not go, sir.
Right.
But Belly, I have completed in the last year also. And this year, my focus was on Seviston only, sir. And
Right.
Belly, I was doing revision in few times, sir. I
Right.
mean, 3 to 4 times I did, I revised Belly. And Seviston, sir, I went line by line,
Right.
sir.
So did you make your own notes, or you utilize some notes? How did you make your single material which you could revise at the end? How, what was your strategy like?
Sir, I was doing my own notes, sir.
Right.
And, also, I ordered the notes, sir, from Sushruta, but I could not get the time to read the notes, sir. Just I
Right.
was studying my own notes, sir.
Right. Okay. So next, coming to the aspect of MCQ solving. So what was your strategy in the MCQ solving? How did you solve it? How did you incorporate the mistakes or the things which were going wrong? How did you incorporate that to become better? What was your strategy like for the MCQ solving per se?
Sir, for the MCQ solving, sir, just in the book also, I was mentioning the what went wrong in the MCQ, sir. So
Right.
while doing the revision, uh, it was coming to my mind that yes, I have done this question
Right.
wrong.
Right. So you made the textbook as your go-to material. You just
Yes, sir.
stuck to the textbooks. You made your own notes. You
Yes, sir.
revised Bailey, Saviston like 3 4 times, as you said, and you incorporate all the mistakes from the MCQs
Yes,
in the textbook. So I think that's a great thing, that no matter if you utilize something or you make your own note, textbook reading has no substitute,
yes,
obviously.
sir.
So, coming next to what I want to know from you, Dr. Vikas, is about
Yes,
the importance of mock exams, and how would you incorporate that, and how did you do incorporate that into your preparation? What was your strategy regarding the mocks?
Sir, regarding mocks, I thought that 15 mocks into 150 questions, sir. I mean, 2,250 questions.
Yes.
So I thought that 2,250 concepts to remember, sir.
Yes.
So I went through that 2,250 concepts 3 to 4 times, sir.
Okay.
And that really helped in the exam, sir.
Right. So that is a very important thing again, that our mocks, you focused on the
Yes,
concepts more than just rote learning, that okay, if question is asked, that is why I'm emphasizing this is that many students, what they do is that they read the question option and then the explanation, but they try to remember the question what is asked, they don't try to focus on the concept per se. So
oh,
that's a
sir.
very yeah.
Yes, sir. So in the explanations of the mock, sir, it was really helpful for me because I was able to recollect two to three things from other
Yes.
books also, sir. It was prepared like that in the explanation, sir.
Yes. Because we try to incorporate the reason why the answer is correct, the key learning point. So I think definitely if your students do it seriously, that's a very important aspect. So
Yes, sir.
yeah, so as you mentioned that you incorporate the mocks and you treated it like that, the concepts you should be clear, and I think that has what has played a huge role, that the
Yes,
concepts.
sir.
I Yeah, please go ahead.
Sir, even the 2 to 3 days before the exam, I have revised all the questions once, sir.
Right. So I think that's a very important and very good thing. What you did was that you revised
Yes, sir.
well. No matter was it your notes, textbook, or the mocks, you revised them thoroughly. So
Yes, sir.
coming to the next thing, Dr. Vikas, is about the importance of revision. So many students, what they ask is about, if they read textbook, how will they revise? So, like if they are utilizing our note, then it's a different scenario. But you mainly focus on the textbook and your own notes. So how did you read from the start that helped you to revise at the end? How was your strategy like? Just tell us about that so that the students who are just wanting to focus on textbooks can take a note of this.
Sir, in the initial time, it will take some time, sir. But once it is completed, well, once completed, the next time when I was going through the book, it was quite easy, sir.
Yes.
All the concepts were coming to mind while I was reading in the second time or in the third time, sir.
Right. So I think textbook reading has no substitute, as we said, but first reading
Yes,
should always be very thorough, and you mark
yes,
it
sir.
or you add on or your notes so that when you are doing the second, third reading, obviously helps you a lot. So I think that's a very important aspect what you mentioned, Dr. Bikas.
Yes,
And
sir.
so we have covered all the aspects of textbook reading, the MCQs, the mocks, and the revision. So
Yes,
before
sir.
we go to the next question, one small thing about how did you incorporate the Schwartz in the preparation?
One,
And you have given now three exams. So, what do you feel about the importance of Schwartz in the NEET essays now?
sir, I did not go through the books, sir. Just I went through the questions in the Sushruta, sir. Just
Right,
I went through some questions, sir, not all.
right,
Some general part and endocrine part, the MCQ, I went through that only, sir.
right, right. So, what is your take on the importance of Schwartz? And because this is something which is many questions are asked from the last 2 years. So, what is your take on that?
Every year, from my knowledge, sir, 5 to 10 questions are coming from Swartz, sir.
Yes.
So, and all the concepts are covered in the book, in the MCQ, sir. I think
Right. Yes.
2,200 questions.
2020. Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir. But I did not go through all the MCQ, sir.
Right.
I was trying to cover the GI part and endocrine part, is general
Endocrine.
part and endocrine part, sir.
Right. And rest of the concepts are obviously covered in the decathlon mock. So I think
Yes,
obviously
sir. Yes,
Schwartz,
sir.
in that aspect, I feel very confident in saying that if you have time, then obviously you read. But if you cannot, our material in the Schwartz can be
Yes,
sufficient to cover that.
yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
so coming to the next thing is about specifically about how did we, Sushruta LGS, help you in the preparation? So I always ask the students about mention both the things, that is the pros, so that we are motivated to keep continuing that, and any cons or any feedback what you have so that we can improve upon them. So just let us know about the same.
Pros, sir, there are many pros of Sushruta. I mean, in my studies, sir, it helped me a lot, sir. from starting in the last May, sir, I quite remember this. From last May, I started doing what you told in the video, sir.
Right.
Just go thoroughly books through the books and doing MCQ 7 days after the
Yes.
on study is finished, sir. I
Right.
followed that, sir, and one thing that really helped me is the decathlon mock series, sir.
Yes.
I mean, there are I think 3 or 4 mocks purely based on swords, sir, and that
Yes.
really helped me a lot, sir.
Yes. So I think that's thank you so much for that kind words. So now coming to the any feedback you have which we can improve upon.
Feedback. I mean, I don't know, sir, but uh, no, sir. Feedback. I think. Sorry, sir, but
No, that's fine. If you have, you can obviously share me with me as well. But that's a great coverage we have done for all the students. So, lastly, before we end it, so just tell us about what is your further plan, like what you are wanting to pursue. You told me you are wanting to pursue surgical gastro.
yes, sir.
So, best of luck to that, and welcome to the GI club, and welcome to the field of super specialty now.
Thank
Obviously,
you
the
so much.
institute you will be deciding in the next few days. So, all the best for
Yes, sir.
that, and reach out anytime for that. So before
Thank
we
you so
end
much.
it, I want to give the floor open to you to give a message to all the people out there. If you want to thank someone or you want to tell somebody who has helped you, so just the floor is open to you. And at the end, just give us short inspirational message to all the students who will be listening to this about how they can also reach the level where you have reached.
Yes, sir. First of all, sir, I want to thank God, sir, because without His wish, no, it was not possible, sir.
Right.
Then I want to thank my parents, and especially I want to thank my wife, sir, because she has gone through many things, sir, and she stood by me all the time, sir. Because last time when I was crying, she was the only one who tapped my shoulder and said, "Let's try another time, sir." That's why I think that helped me a lot, sir. And many
Yes.
thanks to my wife, sir.
And that's a very important thing that when you have such moral support, that boosts your
Yes, sir.
confidence to do what you did. And lastly, a short inspirational message to all the students out there who will be listening to you. Just the floor is open to you.
Sir, for students, sir, I think the book reading has no substitute, sir. And as you said in the video, sir, just in the same day we practice the MCQ. I think we forget the concept, sir.
Yes.
So my focus was after I finished this topic, I was practicing MCQ 7 or next week, sir.
Right.
So that has helped to rebuild the concept, sir. And and uh, and last 3 months, sir, last 3 to 4 months, just study. Nothing is better to sit and study, sir, and work.
Yes.
I was away from work and any other things, sir. Last 4 to 6 months, sir.
Yes. So I think that's a very important message that you dedicate yourself, especially the last few months. Obviously, so for everybody, it will not be easy for to sit 1 year or so, but the last 3 to 4 months are very important. And as you said, good support and good mindset and a good strategy is what is going to help you to secure a rank. So that's it. Thank you so much, Dr. Vikas, for talking to us
Lastly,
and
sir, and
much for taking out time. Again,
thank you
congratulations, and
so much to
again.
you, sir.
No, it is all your hard work, Dr. Vikas, and I wish you all the best. And looking forward to meeting you in the subsequent GI conferences.